Morning students. Today we are going to learn second chapter, major geographical forms. Our second chapter is major geographical forms. There are several geographical forms. Okay, there are several geographical forms such as then continents, oceans, then mountains, plains, plateau, island, desert. This way so many or different type of geographical forms. Then etc. are the some other important geographical forms. Then already we know that the continents. What are called continents? What are called continents? The first one is that first geographical form is also known as continent. Okay, then first one is that continent. Continents. Then what are called continents? Very large land masses are called continents. Very large land masses are called continents. There are seven important continents. There are seven important continents, or there are seven continents. Seven continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, then Antarctica, Europe and Australia are the seven continents. Okay, Asia, first one is Asia, second one is Africa, then third one is North America, fourth one is South America, then Antarctica, sixth one is Europe, and seventh one is Australia. These are the seven continents. Then these are the some important or major geographical forms. Then first one is that continents. Then continents, the very large land masses are called continents. Then here seven continents. Then there are seven continents. These seven continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. These are the seven continents. Then India is in the southern part of the continent of Asia. Then here Asia is one of the biggest continent, and the second one is that Africa, and last or smallest continent is Australia. Then Antarctica is also known as white continent. Then Antarctica is also covered with full of ice and snow. So this continent is also known as white continent. And second largest one is that Africa. Africa is also known as the dark continent. And seventh one is that Australia. Australia is also the island continent. These are the seven continents. That the same way, another important one is that oceans and seas. Then oceans. Okay, oceans, very large water bodies are called oceans. Very large water bodies are called oceans. There are five oceans. Such as Pacific Ocean. The first one is that Pacific Ocean. Second one is that Pacific Ocean. Then Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Then third one is that Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Then fourth one is that Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Then fifth one is that Southern Ocean. Okay, these are the five type of oceans. These are the five oceans. Here is also five oceans and seven continents. Five oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean are the five oceans. Then oceans are very large and deep areas of water, or very large water bodies are called oceans. Then very large areas of land are called continents, and the same way very large water bodies are called oceans. Seven continents and five oceans. Once again, seven continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. That the same way five oceans are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean are the five important oceans. Then another important one is that seas. Seas are the smaller areas of water. The smaller areas of water are called seas. The smaller areas of water are called seas. Then some important seas are, here is some important seas are Mediterranean Sea is one of the sea. Mediterranean Sea. Then second one is that Black Sea. Then Arabian Sea and South China Sea. These are the some important seas. Okay, some important seas are Mediterranean Sea, Black Sea, Arabian Sea and South China Sea. These are the seas. Then another important point is that waves. Then another important one is waves. The movement makes waves in the water which look like a line of moving water. That is the waves. This is also during a storm when the wind blows strongly. The waves can be very high powerful. Then another one is in this waves also some dangerous for boat, dangerous for boat and for people. Then another one is that coasts. Then the areas where the land meets the sea, are called coast. Okay, what are called coast? The areas where land and sea, the land and seas are meets, that place is also known as the coast. Then another important point is that mountains, hills and valleys. Mountains, this is the third one. Mountains, hills and valleys. Mountains, hills and valleys. This is the third point. Mountains, hills and valleys. Then what are called mountains? Mountains, the highest part or highest portion of land. The highest portion of a land are called mountains. The highest portion of a land are called mountains. They are formed due to the movement inside the earth that some changes the surface of the earth. Then often mountains are joined together in a chain. This is called a mountain range. This is called a mountain range. Then the Himalayas are the world's highest mountain range. The Himalayas are the world's highest mountain range. Then another one is that hills. This is the mountain, and next one is the hills. The lowland lying between two hills or two mountains is called a valley. Then what is called a valley? Valley, the lowland lying between two hills or two mountains. Two hills or two mountains is called a valley. Then valleys. Then next is the hills and valleys. Then very highest part of a mountain that are always snow covered. Already we know that the highest part of a mountain is also covered with the full of ice and snow. Then there is no life. Some areas also have plants. Then animals and people can live on the hills and in the valleys. Okay. Then another important one is that rivers. Rivers. A large body of water that flows continuously from high land to low land. High land to lower land is called a river. Then smaller rivers or small rivers that have less water are called streams. Then rivers and streams contain a large part of the water found on land. Then these are the some important major geographical forms. Once again, the first one is that continents, and the second one is that ocean and seas, and seas, then mountains, hills and valleys, and rivers. These are the some important major or geographical forms. Okay, today winding up the class. Thank you.